Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best HyperX Cloud 3 settings for gaming. So let's dive in. First, the in-game audio settings for FPS or competitive games. You want to set your audio output to stereo for accurate directional sound. For single player or story games, switch to virtual surround or 7.1 for a more immersive experience. Next, volume levels. You want to keep your master volume around 80 to 90%. Boost sound effects. Lower the music and set voice chat between 70 to 90% so you hear teammates clearly. Now, microphone settings. In Windows, you want to select the HyperX Cloud 3 mic and set the level to 80 to 90. Keep mic boost low at 0 to plus 10 decibels and turn on noise suppression if your game supports it. Now for EQ settings, you want to go for a light V shape, slightly boost bass for impact, lower mids a bit, and raise highs to make footsteps, gunshots, and alerts pop. And finally, if you use HyperX software, you want to enable mic clarity and noise reduction and balance your audio around 80% game to 20% chat for the best mix. And that's it. Those are the top HyperX Cloud 3 settings for gaming. So if you like this video, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!